Welcome everyone. Today we'll be learning how to analyze numerical values through pivot tables. So here is an agriculture data wherein the gender of the farmers, the state, the districts, and also let's ignore this particular variable, but we can look at yield of rice, which is in the unit of quintal per hectare. We have numerical value, and I'll just portray or illustrate how we are going to analyze these numerical values through pivot tables. So first particular analysis that I would want to do is across states, whether there is a difference in terms of the mean or the average of the yield of these farmers. So technically, I saw people doing a filtering of Gujarat and then taking the average manually and then doing the filter of other states and individually doing it instead of doing such tradition using such traditional techniques. Let's just go and insert, go select a cell, go to insert pivot tables. Here is a what I've selected is a table, but in your case, you just need to do this particular thing. You select the entire data, and then I want my output to be in this particular sheet itself. So here it is, and my Excel, my pivot table fields are now present in front of me. Now I'll select the states that I would want, and then the yield beside it. And now what I will do is I'll just instead I've taken the yield into the value column, and then I'll change the value field settings as average, and now I have the average of every state. So here we can see the yield of Rajasthani farmers is about 1.5. The average yield is 1.5, whereas the highest is Kerala, wherein the yield for rice is around 4.5 quintal per hectare. So thank you everyone. Now if you actually want to understand, let's suppose the bifurcation in terms of gender. Let's just take gender here. And if you again look at Karnataka, the particular the difference between two gender is for female it is 4.06 is the mean for the yield, and for male it is 3.9. In Rajasthan it is 1.34 for female, and for male it is 1.59. So this is how you can use pivot tables for numerical values. Thank you.